Guys, welcome to IT networking. So recently Windows 10 facing this problem. So error code is 8020056. So when you updating your Windows, so showing this error. So actually how to fix, I will give you a link in description, so you come this site. So this is Windows catalog. So do you want to, you firstly W2021H2, this is for 86. So guys, firstly you check which version in your system. So open file manager and right click to more properties, 21H2 in my system. So 21, this is, so 21H2 ARM64. So click to download and then click to again this link. So now this is those downloading. Okay, and then close. So new update actually downloading. So when you install this update and fix all issues, one more thing, open C drive and you want to delete old temp, now update temp file. So how to delete? Open file, C drive, and go to Windows, software, distributions, and download. Select all and shift delete. So okay, and then close. Then guys, this is download, open. So now preparing the installations. And nobody have any critical in this update, so you can next and restart your system when you're finished. Okay, bye bye, take care, have any issue please comment me, bye bye.